everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika. So I finally hit 1000 subscribers and I'm super excited about it. So this would have been my giveaway video, but since we're under lockdown and some places are still unreachable, I would want to host the giveaway when I'm actually able to send the prizes to you. So stay tuned for my giveaway video very soon. So until then, I'm going to be making some easy DIY nail art tutorials that you can try in your houses right now. So it's just going to be using few things that you find lying in your houses. So I will be adding all these videos in one of my playlists and you can check it out in my playlist section. And if you guys try this out, then you can post your pictures or send them to me on my Instagram at cutenailart96 and I could feature it in one of my videos. So this is going to be the first video in the playlist and it's going to be a simple glitter ombre nail art. So all you need for this nail art is 2 nail polishes of your choice and a sponge. So you can use any sponge that you find lying around in your houses. So the sponge I'll be using is actually the one I found in one of my new watch cases, and you can use any kind of sponge that will absorb the nail polish in and leave the glitter on top of it. So if you want to know how you can apply glitter polishes perfectly, you can check it out in the link above. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm going to be applying my base coat, and the base coat is something that will help you prevent your nails from staining. And you usually see how your nails get stained while you apply different shades of polish. So base coat is basically going to help you not get your nails stained. So I'm just going to be using any transparent polish as my base coat. So for my manicure today, I'm going to be using a pink polish as my base color. And this is by Try Sugar and it's called Mauve Mountains. It's a very stunning light pink shade. You can use any light polish as your base color. So this will help the glitter sparkle a little more brighter, so always use a lighter base color. So I have applied my base color to all my nails, and next I'm going to be using a porous sponge as well as my chunky glitter polish. So sponge is basically the best way to apply glitter polish if you want that complete opacity. So I will be applying the glitter polish over my sponge, and what this does is it allows the liquid from the nail polish to soak in and the glitter will remain on top of the sponge. So now you can dab this glitter onto your nails and you are left with a beautiful glitter ombre. So you can go over the same process again, but I'm just going to be doing this once since I feel this looks really pretty. For most of my nails today, I'm going to be dabbing this glitter polish at the tip of my nail. So this kind of gives it a glitter French manicure kind of effect. And for one of my nail, I'm going to be dabbing this glitter polish at the bottom of my nail, and this kind of gives it a different look. Finally, I'm going to be cleaning around my nail now, and for this I'll be using a Q-tip along with some acetone, and I'm just going to be cleaning it around my nail. And finally, I'm going to be applying a thick layer of top coat to seal the manicure off. So make sure you apply the top coat from the bottom to the top and seal the tip of your nails, as this will help prevent the chipping of your manicure. So this is how the final manicure looks like, and I hope you guys will give this a shot. So if you guys like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below if there's any other suggestions that you have. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.